Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening to all judges and participants of 3rd Icstem 2020 International Conference in Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Today, my name is RUHANA binti Abdul Razak alias MAMAT from SM Science Dungun, Terengganu, and with my partner Wan NAZRI bin Wan ISHAK alias Wan MOHAMMAD from SMKA KUALA ABANG Dungun, Terengganu, we're going to present our research titled Telegram, the easiest online learning channel to assess students' outcomes using the Snip and Sketch application. This is the problem statement of our research, which is the students face difficulties in managing assignments from the teachers after learning due to the memory space on the phone, and the students also have the difficulties to loading the Google Classroom application, as some of the students cannot remember the ID and email dilemmas. In addition, the teachers are difficult to check the students' assignments quickly and easily. The focus of this research is to assess students' understanding of teaching and learning at home, which is PTPR, with the method of the teachers check the students' assignment quickly and easily using the Snip and Sketch application on the Telegram channel. This is the students' problems. Number 1 is students experience difficulty using the new apps that require accounts and passwords. Accounts and passwords are very long and it is difficult for the students to remember. Number 2 is the new apps require a large memory space and some of the students have low budget that has a small memory space. And number 3, the accounts and passwords provided to students are difficult to memorize and do not work on all applications. And now this is the teacher problems. Number 1, not all the teachers can master functions buttons in an education application supplied because some of the teachers only know the basic function. Number 2, teachers also have trouble checking assignments due to having to register for accounts and the teacher have to pay for various advantages in using the apps. Number 3, teachers have many accounts and passwords that need to be memorized. So this is very difficult to them to manage these assignments of the students in structure. And last, number 4, the process of checking the student's assignment using the phone is very difficult and uncomfortable. So the teacher have to use a better device to make sure they can marking the student's assignment very well. This is the methodology of our research. First is solving for student. Second is solving for teacher. Solving for student, we use the application that is used by all the students, which is Telegram, as a medium of interaction between teacher and students for PBD, which is pentaksiran berasaskan bilik darjah assessment work. Number 2, students can snap a picture and then submit it to the teacher, and this is very fast and quickly for the students to submit their assignment. Number 3, students can delete pictures of assignments in the phone memory, but they do not have to delete the picture in the Telegram because all the information in the Telegram is stored in the cloud. This is the solving for teachers. Number 1 is teachers will use the Snip and Sketch application to check the students' answer or the student's assignment. And number 2, teachers will use Telegram to arrange students' assignment according to the class and collect them in a folder for PBD assessment reference. This is how to solve the problem. And this is the simple video to show how we use Telegram and the Snip and Sketch application. We use the Snip and Sketch application to mark the students' assignment from the Telegram. This is an example of the students' assignment that we use the Snip and Sketch application, and it is very friendly because in the Snip and Sketch application, they have a simple drawing tools that the teacher can use during the marking. So after finish the marking, the teacher can paste to the students' assignment. And it is very fast and quickly for the teacher to respond to students' answer. And this is one of example of the students' assignment. The teacher used the Snip and Sketch application to draw a correct answer using the drawing tools from the Snip and Sketch application. As you can see now, we use the drawing tools such as ruler and the variety of colors from the digital ink in the Snip and Sketch application to show to the students the correct answer. So the teacher can show the correct drawing for the students' assignment. And this is very easier to the teacher to show to the students how to draw a better drawing. And now, this is how we manage the students' assignment. After submit back to the students, we also save it in OneNote. We save it in a folder in OneNote as the students' evidence. And this is the students' evidence that we use as pentaksiran berasaskan bilik darjah or PBD. And as you can see, all of this is the students' assignment that submit to the teacher in Telegram, and we save it in OneNote for our record. This is examples of the students' assignment that have been checked by the teacher using the Snip and Sketch application. So, it is much more easier for the students to submit their assignment by using Telegram, and the teacher also much more easier to check to marking the assignments through the Snip and Sketch application. Okay, this is the result of the research. Number 1 is students quickly submit the assignments to the teacher. Number 2, there is no reason to lose the password. Number 3, there is no reason for difficulty to upload the assignments in the application. Number 4, the students respond quickly if they have any problems. Number 5, teachers are easy to mark with the file snipping tool from the Telegram and do not need other third-party applications to check students' assignment. Number 6, teacher quickly return the assignment after checking and save as a classroom assessment. Number 7, teacher and the students can interact directly without any boundaries. And lastly, The teacher can provide comments and motivation with attractive stickers in the Telegram application. This is how we record the students' assignment as Pentaksiran Bilik Darjah or PBD. As you can see, most of the students can submit the assignments very well and they can interact with the teacher very fast and quickly. So that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.